Hey, introducing the Nice interaction system. You can make any actor easily interactable by adding the AC make interactable component, in which you can adjust the interaction behavior to fit your needs. But you can also make foliage interactable. Just add the related foliage mesh to this data table and boom, your foliage is interactable. Here's an example of interactable PCG instances. And by the way, top-down is supported as well. There is even a respawn system, so you can make foliage instances respawning after a specific time. There are different ways to focus interactables. Besides the classical method, where you have to look exactly at the mesh, there's a method where you have to look only in the direction of the mesh, and it focuses the interactable you're looking at the most. This makes it very easy to focus, which is also great for controller input. You can choose from a one-shot interaction, an interaction that triggers after time, or a hit points based interaction where you can damage the interactable. All these interactions are server validated, and yes, this system is multiplayer ready, but you can use it for single player too. Moreover, there's a random interactable spawning system, and you get ready to use dressers that make use of this system. And for all of that, there's a safe game system, including the interactable actors and the stored foliage together with their respawning data.